Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today, we'll teach you how to change the theme of Google for your Google Chrome app on computer.
First, you have to open up your Google Chrome app on PC. Then, go to the bottom right corner on your screen. Then, click on Customize. It has the pencil icon.
Next, you go to the background and color scheme section. You can choose whatever background or color that satisfies you. You can also customize the background with your own pictures.
Another way to change your background with more options are first, go to the upper right corner on your screen and click on three dots and click on Settings.
Go to the fifth column and press and click on Appearance. The first thing you should see is Theme and a box with the arrow inside of it. Click on the box.
After you click on the link, it should take you to a website called Chrome Web Store. There are over hundreds of options to choose from.
If you found the theme you desire, then click on the theme, and the first thing you should see is Add to Chrome. When you press on it, it will automatically change the theme for you.
By any chance, if you want to delete your theme, you first go to the Settings and then go to Appearance. Then you see buttons that says Reset to Default. Then the theme of Chrome will be default.